Another day, another AI chatbot. Do you ever wish the current generation of generative AI chatbots were little bit less chattier? Artificial intelligence startup Inflection AI is hoping to meet that demand with its newly released chatbot Pi, which the company builds as a kind and supportive companion that's on your side. One of the issues I have always felt with ChatGPT and even with Hugging Face is that they were little bit too verbose. So you had whenever you asked something, they would just give you paragraphs and paragraphs of answer, and then you had to summarize them by asking ChatGPT. And still, it would feel bit verbose. I'm sure that it will improve in the future, but still, that is one of the issues I felt with ChatGPT. But with this Pi chatbot, it promises to be succinct and very dense. This has been founded by LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman and DeepMind co-founder Mustafa Suleiman. Inflection AI says Pi is a supportive neural listener that can talk with users about personal problems and offer advice. Bloomberg cautions, however, that new large language model chatbots can surface many of the same culture and gender biases that humans have online. Pi, which stands for Personal Intelligence, will suggest users seek professional help if they mention some key terms connected with mental health. Some experts are critical of the technology. The performance of empathy is not empathy, said by one of the psychologists. Well, large language models are trained on massive databases, as you already know, but as they are given more and more feedback, they learn to be very good at certain ways of communicating. ChatGPT, for example, has learned to be very verbose in its answer, beyond even what we want sometimes, as I already mentioned. The model is only part of the experience. In my first couple of minutes using Pi, the user experience feels much more consumer friendly, like a little assistant you can ask things. For example, let's talk with it a bit on the screen. So this is the prompt by Pi. Let me chat with it. I have asked this question from few humans. Let's see what is the response from Pi. So as you can already see, as I'm asking it a very personal question, this Pi is not giving me any generic answer just by pulling it out of Wikipedia or any career site. What it is doing is it is interacting with me on a personal level. It is asking me very deep questions around the neural mindset as how to make a decision, and then I'm giving it quite vague answers instead of clear answers. So it is probing me more, and then I believe when you go into this dialogue more, you will start appreciating its difference, which is from ChatGPT a lot. I think it's the right direction, and LinkedIn and DeepMind are taking the right steps, but still, I think long way to go. I hope you found it useful and interesting. Go play with it. I think you will like it. Cheers. Bye.